If you are looking to make quick money online, I'm not your coach. I don't work with people who wants to make money online or just have another cookie cutter for a template for a business. I don't work with women who makes excuses, who procrastinate, who is not willing to put in everything for their business. I work with real women who wants to build real businesses. I work with women who's ambitious, who's hard-driven, and knows that it takes hard work to build a business. They are not scared of doing the hard work. They just need a plan and a strategy of how to begin. They want to leave the 9 to 5 without a burnout. They want somebody who can support them, give them a real strategy, and build a business around their strengths. And this is where I come in. So I have created this beautiful course called the Brave Leap. And inside this Brave Leap, I'm giving you a strategy, a roadmap, and then the support to start building your own successful business. So if this resonates with you, please DM me the word brave, and I'll send you my free masterclass to show you how to go into building a beautiful business.